Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on resources and daily bonuses notifications on the Clash of Clans application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the more settings button. Scroll down and in the notification settings section you can find the third option, the resources and daily bonuses. And if you want to turn on, just click to the off button and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.